Hi, welcome back to Graphics channel. So today we are going to prepare how to prepare a masking in Photoshop. So first open a Photoshop software. So after that I'm going to take a image here. So I'm taking bird's image. So in this I'm going to mask these two birds. Okay, so first I'm going to duplicate the layer. So after duplicating, so just go and select a mask. So first I'm going to select an object with the help of selection tool. So click here, select object. So directly whole content, so majorly birds will going to select. Along with the birds, this stick is also selected. So I'm going to select this portion also along with the bird. So I'm going to pick this stick also. Okay, so after selecting this, so you can prepare a mask. So how? So just go and select a, so I'm using invert Control Shift I. So after inverting, go and select hue saturation. So in this hue saturation I'm going to reduce the saturation level up to -100. You'll get like this effect. Then using hue saturation mask, so we can black and white the background color or supporting color. So after that I selected only the birds portion by using Ctrl Shift I. And then I'm going to copy and paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So now I got selected only the birds portion, and you can save it in PNG format. So for further use or else for any manipulations you can use it. So how to save it I will show you. So just turn off the remaining layers and save it in the form of PNG. So go to the application icon, so click save as and save in the form of PNG. Just save as file type is available in that, so check PNG and click save. So without background, so means transparent background we is going to save under PNG. So I will show you how it shows. So take a new file. So I'm going to take a new file with a 1280 by 720 and the resolution 72. So in new project I'm going to load the PNG. See, transparent background is available in PNG, but if it is in JPG you can't. So you'll get white background. Here see, you'll get a transparent background like this. So better for reduce the lossage, I'm going to make smart object. Use Ctrl T, then scale uniformly. Okay, so like this we can use a PNG. So for any manipulations or else any, if you want to add any things, any components, so you can use like this by using mask tool and hide all the remaining layers. Just save in the form of PNG and you can use it. Just if I change the background color, so how it will shows, see here what will happen. So background color, okay, green or red, whatever it may be, can choose. Just Alt delete or Control delete. See, so like this we can use a PNG images. And one more thing I will show you in first image. So just minimize it. Okay, so like this it's in free format, so anywhere anytime you can use it. So PNGs, so usually logos will be saved under PNG format. So for further reusage and with any background we can use it easily. That's why PNG formats are very good. So here in this again I'm going to select the portion with mask and I want to invert the mask. So how to invert? This is saturation, right? So saturation, okay, leave it to 0 itself. I want to invert this. Wait 1 second. So select, take a selection and use Shift I. Again I'm going to make a hue saturation. So now just I want to reverse the position. So just I want to black and white only the selection. but in previous option, so we converted black and white image as a background. See, complete background is black and white, but in this option the content, selected content is black and white. So like this, masking we can prepare in two types, invert and select. So how to invert the selection? Using Ctrl Shift I. After selecting the portion, so you can use Ctrl Shift I. So like this we can convert in two types. So this is about masking. So try with the layers. Here saturation or brightness contrast, like the different types of masks we can use. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit like also. Thank you for watching the tutorial.